What it do, YouTube? It's your girl Steph. Welcome back to the channel. How you guys doing today? Happy New Year! Friends, today I have one of my very good friends, Yanill. She is joining on the feast. We gonna talk some and we gonna eat. We are going to take a shot for you guys since it is New Year's. Today is January 1st, and we'll get into where I've been, where she's been, why she's here. All right. And we just gonna eat and have a good time. So cheers. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Cheers to you guys. We poured the shots off camera. I'm drinking Black Label, fancy, and she is having tequila. All right, friends. The spread today is lobster tails, snow crab, shrimp, sausage, potatoes, corn, cucumbers, and beloved sauce spicy. We hungry, so we gonna eat a little bit and then we're gonna talk shit. All right, friend, dig in.
Ooh, I don't know where to start.
Me either. I'm just
Starting
like
with the cucumbers.
it's not bad. Let's see what this
Oh, you start with the sausage though.
I always start with the sausage.
I know.
It's a new year. All right. Okay, I'm fine.
You do that down. That's good.
We was in here cooking all the way. But yeah, you know. Okay. What is the sausage?
They're hidden in there.
You know. Oh, I found one.
I got one too.
Not the looking for the sausages.
Scavenger hunt out here.
That's really good. And little mini potatoes.
You did that.
Thanks, friend. She helped. This is bomb.
It is.
There's some little big shrimps and tiny shrimps. It's just, you know, it's a whole mess.
There's a lot going on here.
There's a lot going on. I do have a cup here that does have a little celebratory cups. What was in here? Black Label and Coke.
Tequila.
You know.
Love it.
This is bomb. Just not the hungry.
I'm going for the shrimp. I'm going for the eggs.
You know, I'm going for the shrimp. Shrimpies. I'm gonna do it with the shell and all that.
Yes.
I mean, I don't eat the shell, but I'm saying like eat the It's so funny because she's the first guest on the channel, friends. You know, I've been trying to get the hubby to come on and my kid, and they be like, bro.
I'm honored.
You know. But hopefully I'll be doing some more collabs and stuff, you know what I'm saying? This is really good.
It is.
I'm gonna get the egg too.
Welcome to the party.
You know. This is like crap. This is so addicting.
Now I understand why you eat first and then you talk the shit later.
You know? Alright. Damn, I kinda want the lobster. I'm like ready.
You want to dig in?
It's given. It's gonna be like one of the first things that I eat in the big stuff. That's what food good.
If you don't do the happy dance when you're eating, I don't know what you're doing.
Not the shimmy. Not the shimmy shimmies.
Shimmy shimmies. I'm ready for the lobster when you are.
You know.
It's your video. I'm just waiting on you.
Let's do it, friend.
Let's
It's so
for the
pretty. Do it for the YouTube. Do it for the YouTube. Yeah. I've been waiting on this lobster though.
Me stopping.
You know. Yo, look, it's so cute. You look cute. Hey, friends. I want to taste it without the sauce.
Yeah? Me too. That's really good.
It's a little sweet. I like that. I like that.
Super flavorful.
Not sure I'm coming over here so he sees us. Not him ready. He sees us eating. He's like, hey, friends. So, we've been eating so I could talk a little bit.
Yeah.
Napkins. So, guys, Yanill is actually a childhood friend. We met in middle school.
Yes.
Like 90 years ago because we old.
Okay.
She's old, not me. All right. And we both grew up in New York. Yeah, I know I'm from New York. So I met her there. And then like after like high school, we kind of went our separate ways a little bit. Because she's not the food movie.
Ma'am.
So we kind of reconnected online. If y'all see the corn, don't judge it. I'm trying to get it out. And we was like just talking for the last like year or two, maybe.
Yeah.
We've been like shooting. And we was kind of like, what you doing for the holidays? And she lives in Hawaii, so which is obviously closer to here than going home. She was like, yo, I'm gonna book a flight. And I was like, yo, come through.
So I came.
You know? And then we dragged like our husbands and kids into this mess. It's been really fun though. We lit.
Liddy.
We was outside. But then, where am I going? I got really like sick. I don't know what happened, but I was down for the count, friends, for like a week.
I miss my friend.
And you know, I felt so bad because I'm like, she flew all the way out here like 3,000 miles, and we we had a really good like 2 or 3 days, and then I was like out. It was bad, bro. Like it was just, and I was out of commission this whole time. Like I just started feeling better, like getting my taste and smell back a few days ago. Not even, it hasn't even been like 3 full days.
I'm just glad I have my friend back.
You know?
Not the sad story. You're the little violin.
Not to me YouTube in a sad song. All right. Yo. But yeah. So Juno. But it's so nice to have people, you know, in the house and stuff coming through. We was lit for New Year's. It was a whole turn up. New Year's Eve.
I'm definitely coming back.
Juno? Who wanted that? Somebody wanted that.
Look at me pausing on the
Juno?
sausage.
Not to not eating.
I'm definitely gonna not eat.
Not this snow crab calling the nigga.
We about to break that shit.
You know? This is a nice, decent size. Look at the size of my head. Yo. Sure.
Lit.
Juno. Oh, snaps.
Yeah, I'm a dunk. You know?
Oh my God. That's the one. Oh, snap. Yes, I got it. Not the falling on me. Yo, guys, is it because she's here that I actually broke this without having a hard time?
It's bringing the good vibes.
You see that?
For the new year. happy dance pause.
Champ, now you yawning in my video. This is lit.
Perfect.
Okay, so we just been out here, you know, for the streets. Just traveling all around Cali. Into Six Flags, into Disneyland, California Adventures.
That was perfect.
I got her daughter to ride a roller coaster for the first time.
She's never gonna forget that.
You know, she's gonna be like, my mom's friend
That one time.
had me out here crazy. You know what? It was fun though.
It was so much fun.
It was fun. And then they got to do some stuff too. Wow, because my husband had to work. And because I live a little bit outside of LA. So yeah, I got to go to the pier and stuff, to the Santa Monica Pier, which is pretty cool down there. And see the Hollywood sign and
Yes.
all that touristy stuff, you know what I'm saying?
It was perfect.
It was cool though. But you know, as given, I'm going to Hawaii now.
Definitely need to.
Yo.
Next video in Hawaii.
You know. Not the vlogs out there. 'Cause we going parasailing. All right.
Vlogs coming soon? I don't know.
You know.
Sounds like it.
Yeah, it'd be fun though.
That would be.
That'd be so lit.
There's just so much to do over there.
You know.
I'm definitely down.
It's given. I would definitely have to take y'all along. But you could also follow me on Instagram, bro. Eat and chill with Steph. What you waiting for? Because I could post stuff up there too. You know. Come follow a friend.
Tell a friend to tell a friend. That's my favorite one.
You know. Tell your man to tell your man to tell his man to tell your friends to tell the girl to friend. You know what I'm saying? All right. Not the 97 people.
Tell everybody.
And you know, share it. Like, subscribe. Be a real one. Because, you know, I saw a YouTuber the other day.
Yeah.
And they were like, if you're watching this video, subscribe. Because why you watching my video if you're not subscribed? If you like the video, bro, just subscribe to the channel. You know, we all vibe. What you out here? You know?
The whole schmood.
Sure. All right.
I'm here for all of it.
Give for all the Those where all the bleeping comes into play. Bleep, bleep, bleep. Not the little tiny potato. These are so cute.
I haven't tried one yet.
Ma'am, waiting for invitations.
Yeah, everything looks so good. I just
No? I want to put all the smarter stuff on the bottom. So, how you kind of hunt for it. But yeah, friends, I'm gonna need y'all to stay safe out there. Wear a mask or something. Cause everybody's sick of shit. Pretty bad.
hopefully everyone got to enjoy with their fams.
You know? I'm just glad that I recovered quickly, technically, to, you know, because I heard people be down for the count for like 2 weeks. 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month.
Focus on the health first.
You know? Luckily, I got like Netflix.
Not the binge watching.
So they weren't too bored, you know? On the Netflix vibes. God, it's really good.
It's so good.
It's like Oh yes. Y'all should comment down below what y'all did for the holidays. How was your Christmas? What'd you get?
I'll celebrate you. Let us know.
You know? This is hitting.
It's bomb.
This beef love sauce, bro. If y'all haven't tried this, y'all definitely need to, because it's lit. She did that.
It is really good. And pâté jowl. Oh,
man. Not emborrachado, which means drunk, by the way. If you don't speak Spanish,
The drunk vibes.
You know. Yo, yesterday we went to my neighbor's house across the street to do like the hot tub vibes for New Year's, and everybody was so turned. It was ridiculous.
It was fun.
It was very fun.
So much fun.
It was very fun, even though it was a little chilly. But
which was not expected coming from Hawaii.
you know, a poor homegirl, she did like a 360 and weather change.
I had to buy a whole coat coming to.
It's crazy. I don't know what's going on, but Cali's been really cold this year. I don't know what's happening. So we was out there. We was outside. It was fun.
We had a good time. We were together, at least.
And you know, giving the goo vibes. I do want to say thank you to all of y'all that hit me up. Y'all were in my DMs, or y'all were in my community posts wishing, you know, good vibes for me to get better and stuff. Y'all real sweet. I had to keep updating y'all. I feel like I posted a few times and it was just like, I'm still here, friends. Don't forget about me. Don't unsubscribe. All right. Not to leaving the channel.
Oh no.
Not because y'all know that, you know, I usually post at least like twice a week.
Yeah.
So they're probably like, what happened?
You guys missed her as much as I did.
You know.
I was missing my friend.
I was out here like in my bed dying.
We made up. We made up for it. We made up for it.
Oh, facts. I mean, yesterday we didn't go to sleep till like 5 in the morning. Because we came back home and we was on the Oculus. You ever got an Oculus, let me know. We could be friends.
Fun. So much fun.
We could be friends on the Oculus. I can't.
That is really fun though.
I'm gonna need her to just move closer and then, you know, we could just be a whole vibe all the time.
Let's give her a retirement in Florida.
You know. We're about to go cop some houses over there and just be neighbors. And have a big fence because the alligators. I'm scared.
I'm scared too.
You gotta remember, we grew up in buildings. There's no alligators in buildings.
Seriously.
Yo. Even here, I do. The only issue I have is that that cat. He look like Simba. He mad big. Simba's dad or something. I don't know. He's massive though. He's huge. He'll just be in the yard, and then Champ be pooping all over the place. 'Cause I think he's being territorial. Like, not my house. And I'm like, all right, well. And you know, not to getting full.
It's getting full vibes.
It's giving full vibes for sure. That's another thing, since I've been sick, I didn't want to upload for y'all because I've been eating like such small portions. I don't know if you can see it, but I lost like 5 pounds. All right. I did though. I really did, because I wasn't eating anything. And then when I did eat, it was like literally like a few scoops of something.
Yeah.
Like today, we ordered like McDonald's for lunch, and I ate a McChicken with 5 nuggets and fries, and I felt like I was gonna explode. Which normally for me, that's not a lot of food. Like, I'll be seeing my mukbangs, I'll be eating. But I was like, oh my God. And Chloe's like, you good? And I'm like, I'm so full. You're so full.
So full.
You know. Not the claw. The claw. Not the Toy Story vibes.
I still got mine in there.
You know? All right, well, it's giving No Man Left Behind. This is gonna come out really late, guys. I apologize in advance.
P7.
Ow. Not the risking it all for the crab.
That's why I didn't even try.
Not me about to break my teeth. New year, no teeth. All right.
Oh no. We have veneers for that.
You know. Now Champ getting in the, all right. Look at it.
So yeah, I'm going on my room.
He's like, I'm going on my bed.
No.
He's sick of us.
We're not sharing.
My dog has been having the time of his life because my friend and her family, they're dog people. Oh, he's been getting so spoiled. He's gonna be so sad when y'all leave. He'll be like, what happened to my friends?
I don't know. We'll come back. June. Summertime.
She says she's coming back when it's hot. She says she's not coming back no time soon because it's brick. It is really cold though. I don't understand why.
I did not expect that.
I don't need
At
to
all.
be this cold. It's given North Face. Like, it's brick. I've never known LA to be this cold.
What's the Rockaware coats?
And you know? Yeah, this food is good.
He's definitely giving full vibes.
You know? Not to be powering through for y'all though, cause
It's been a minute.
you know. I don't know why I'm so addicted to seafood. This is a whole problem.
It's so good.
I could eat like shrimp every day. Every day. Like, that's crazy. I don't know.
I don't know who thought about putting eggs in here.
You know, yeah, some real niggas though. Whoever that was. Cause that was like
it's awesome.
Oh yes, my friends. This crab is hitting. I don't know what he was talking about. I was like, crab wasn't that great. What bro? Good to me.
That's fun.
Or maybe his cluster just didn't have a lot of meat.
These two?
These do. Oh, we done made food for everybody. Waited for them to eat, and now we eating. It's the behind the scenes stuff for me. This is so good.
Here. This is bomb.
It's bombs.com. Not those little skinnies. Not the shrimpy skinny.
No.
Yo, don't laugh because we do have like these big shrimps. But I don't know if you've seen that there's like these little tiny ones. And that's because I ordered that through DoorDash from the grocery store and that's what they bought. You know what?
It's a scam.
You know. The big ones I had already had like in the freezer.
Oh, I can snap.
Snap it!
I did it.
Damn, friend. Bang. Not the colossal vibes.
Damn.
Nah, these little snow crabs are good though. They hitting today. Not all is grease. This piece is kind of hard to get into. Not the thing. This is so good.
This is so good.
And here's what I'm gonna do next year. For the holidays, I'm gonna just cook seafood. We're like so traditional. We always do like a pork shoulder, or you know, turkey and stuff. It's giving seafood.
It's the culture in us.
You know.
We have to change it up.
You know what? I want to know how to make gumbo. I don't know how to make it.
Gumbo.
I mean,
Gumbo would be so good.
especially since it's cold. But that would be like a really cute little holiday something.
Keep it in the
Oh my,
tradition.
I'm so full.
Some will be good too.
Sancocho is like in a soup that has like chicken, steak, pork in it, corn, potatoes, all kind of veggies, plantains. It's a very hearty like meal. If y'all hear that, that's the kids. I mean, at this point, they excited. I think they're playing Roblox. Something good happened though. Not that I'm full as
I'm so full.
Let me push it through, man.
You know I could do a little mini ones.
Not the powering through. Oh yes.
That feels good.
Let's give a nap. Not the nap at 10:30 at night. I don't know what time it is, but I'm pretty sure it's like 10
Yeah.
or something like that.
It's late. So good.
Bomb. And we was worried we won't have enough food.
We really were.
Yo, we was like, is this enough food for everybody? Because it's like 7 of us. So we was like, oh nah.
It's an adjustment for us.
Not that it's being bad. I have food on my face.
Me? On your nose.
Not that shit was there the whole time.
It's a spag. Like, it really is.
Not the fuck was that?
Not Rudolph.
Not the Rudolph vibes. Hello, can you see me? Hello? Oh my god, I can't eat anymore.
This is, honestly, I did that. It was good.
You did that too. You know, she was helping. She was like, you know,
I
cleaning and stuff.
was watching. I was learning how to do these.
And June, oh my god, guys. Thanks so much for watching the video with us today. Is given. My stomach is gonna explode. All right, friends.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, like that. You know what I'm saying? Go watch my other videos because they lit too.
They are.
Not that me doing the most. But yo, if you're new to the channel, welcome. We whole vibe, we whole schmoot out here, you know what I'm saying? And if you've been here before, you're welcome back. I'm watching you watch me, you did. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. I ain't playing with you. Eat and chill with Steph. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on TikTok. What's the TikTok name for that? I think it's Steph's Too Legit. I'll put it up here somewhere. I don't really use TikTok that much, but you know, if y'all follow me, maybe I would. All right. So I will see y'all in the next video, friends. Bye. Deuces. Be back.
It's nothing given. I'm still eating.
All right. So we had to end the video, but then we came back. So share your secrets in the comments if you made it this far into the video. Not that it's just shooting the I'm full.
It's giving behind the scenes.
You know?
It's giving explosion over here.
Y'all fucking drinking this with Coke Zero and you could taste the difference. So the regular Coca-Cola to the Coke Zero.
She gotta do
it's the sugar addiction.
You gotta change it up.
You know why? Maybe it's because I don't eat candy and stuff like that, so I don't really get that much sugar intake unless I drink soda, which I usually drink when I'm drinking alcohol.
It could be.
You know?
It definitely could be.
Oh, I'm so full.
Stop saying I'm full because you're tricking my mind.
Are you full?
I definitely am.
All right. Not that she don't know she full or not.
Not that this is so good that I want to keep eating.
Not
The heavy dance.
You know.
Honestly though, I need to stop.
It was bomb though.
It's good.
I mean, there's still food left.
I'm definitely saving it.
Damn.
For another day.
Not the only other day is tomorrow to eat it because you leaving.
Oh my god. Not the, cue the violin.
Do, 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 do,
Not the flashback memories.
Not the Titanic.
Hello, we're not really sinking.
Ma'am, who's singing? I was just talking about the song because it's really sad.
Alright.
Do, 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 do. You know what I'm saying?
Alright.
It's giving Donkey Kong vibes.
Definitely helping on some games.
I'm about to lay just flat right on the couch. Not the flat.
Hello?
They don't know what my body looks like. Y'all only see my face. What if I got a badonkadonk that I paid for?
That's all that matters. It's just the face.
It's giving cute.
It's giving Rockaware vibes.
Not the Rockaware.
Rockaware.
Not Jay-Z, so, you know, subscribing to the channel and like.
Now lean back, eh?
Man.
Lean back, eh? Lean back.
All right, now we're just leaning sideways and not back.
Alright, but it's done. Damn.
It's gonna be a long ass edit.
You're still recording.
Hammer time.
Not the mega happy dancing.
Not the recording. That is 3 minutes in. Into a new video. It's like video number 3. It only records for 29 minutes at a time. Well, 30, but yeah, whatever.
Not that we hopping on this Oculus.
Hey, yo. Nah, bro, you don't have an Oculus, buy one. She's gonna buy one. She don't know it yet.
No, I bought a Switch for her.
She did.
Cute
Not
story.
me convincing you to get the Switch.
Not that my husband had a set a gift for me and I said no, we're not doing that.
Yo, he really did. That was last Christmas.
That was.
It was last Christmas. He had bought her like this whole thing. I think it was like some nice stuff too.
It was from Victoria's Secret. It was a silk robe. He still got it for me, but
and then she was like, nah, I need a Switch, and it's to spending the money for me. And then not only did she buy the Switch, but then my birthday's in February, and I got my husband had bought me the Super Mario 3D World game, the Bowser Fury, and I was like, yo, you gotta cop it. She's like, yo, I'm copping.
is it down to earth for me? Like, hello, I'm gonna need to book this flight right now to Hawaii.
You know, I gotta go, friends, because you know she'll ruin it. All right.
That was fun.
Yeah, man, we just be all in the games.
That was insane.
Hello?
Just gonna ignore it, but then I looked, so I couldn't.
Now homeboy snoring like he got a full-time job.
It definitely is.
I'm gonna need my mortgage money. All right, let me kick homeboy out.
Hello?
It's giving full.
It definitely is.
It's given. I'm gonna stop the video at some point.
All right.